Don't download Nasdaq Smart Portfolio app before watching this. If you're considering Nasdaq Smart Portfolio, stop right there and read this. Most people think it's just another robo-advisor, but the surprising truth is it's designed for tech-savvy investors who want exposure to Nasdaq-listed stocks, and it's with automated portfolio management. The app promises to simplify investing by automatically balancing your portfolio based on your risk profile. You can choose a growth-focused strategy or a more conservative allocation, and the algorithm does the rest. That sounds easy, but most people get this wrong. They assume the app will guarantee returns or handle market volatility flawlessly. It won't. Your portfolio still reacts to market swings, and losses are always possible. One of the main advantages is that the app gives you access to fractional shares. That means even if a single Nasdaq stock costs hundreds of dollars, you can invest as little as. This is perfect for beginners or those testing out different tech-heavy portfolios. But remember, fees still apply. While lower than traditional wealth management, the percentage-based management fee can eat into smaller balances over time. Nasdaq Smart Portfolio also offers basic analytics, including performance charts and sector allocation insights. But don't expect advanced research tools or detailed stock analysis. The app's focus is automation and simplicity, not deep financial research. In conclusion, don't download Nasdaq Smart Portfolio if you're looking for a hands-on, research-heavy investing experience. It's best for investors who prefer automated, low-maintenance portfolios focused on Nasdaq equities and ETFs. Understanding its strengths and limitations can save you frustration and help you set realistic expectations. If you want a stress-free, tech-focused investing solution, this app could be a solid fit, but only if you know exactly what it can and cannot do.